what's the name of this dam, Kenny? The Hadley, West Point Lake Dam. The Hadley Powerhouse or something like that. Pretty cool. A lot bigger than it looks in this video camera. That is the West Point Lake out there. Beautiful lake. Lots of ospreys and bald eagles. We've been on an eagle hunt all day, or for a while now, haven't found any eagles, but we've seen a few ospreys.
And to float these in, please.
And now we're getting ready to drive over the dam back to our campground. See the dam up there ahead. The back side of the dam anyways. Yeah, we're on the dam.
That's the working group.
That is the Hartley Creek and the business side of the dam, and this is the West Point Lake and the front side of the dam, the fun side.
You just say you see rocky
Oh.
water.
Across the same dam. I don't know.
Well, we came in this way.
I don't know. Probably out the other way.
Yeah, but it gets you
is my guess.
right to the highway.
Yeah, I have no idea. Ooh, nice speed bumps there. Can't really see much this way. I cannot believe we haven't seen any bald eagles. They're supposed to be just loaded at this place. Well, that was a bust. We've been driving around the lake looking for eagles. Apparently there's a lot of eagles that live here in this campground. Well, we saw 0 eagles, but we did see some osprey, so we got a few pictures of the osprey. I don't know. What do you think, Kenny?
Oh, just driving again.
Just driving, but he's hungry, so that's why we had to come home. Mom, what do you think?
I was disappointed we didn't see any eagles, or nests. But
We did go to the dam and see the dam. That was pretty.
Yeah.
And we found a lighthouse that we didn't even know was on this lake.
it was neat.
We're gonna see where our next adventure takes us.